She's just trying to snuggle you. Why do you have that, Bubby? Your teeth hurts and your tummy hurts?
No, my teeth hurt, but my foot, my tummy hurt.
Your tummy hurts?
Yeah.
Mommy, what are you doing?
It's up. My teeth hurt. Mom! My teeth hurt. These, my teeth hurt.
Sweetheart, do you remember how I told you it's important to not take medicine unless you need it?
Yeah.
We shouldn't take it just because it tastes good. What's in there?
No, meds.
Meds?
Yeah. My face meds.
Your favorite meds?
Yeah. No,
Do the Medis taste good?
yeah.
Is that why you want them?
Yeah.
Do they make you feel better?
Yeah. The taste, Mama.
You want a little taste?
Yeah.
Sweetheart, we can't have Medis just because they taste good. Would you like a vitamin?
No. Okay. No. No.
Mommy, do you want to go get a vitamin?
So.
And maybe we could find some lunch?
Yay!
You want lunch, Suzy?
Yeah, my feet and now.
Hey, Mommy, do you want some lunch?
Yeah.
You want the Medis? Do you want some lunch? Zoe, are you trying to jump over the gate?
Yeah.
Is it too high?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Momo. What are you doing?